1957, she became a founder member of what was originally called the Historic Aircraft Flight. Believe it or not, she was quickly retired to gate guardian duties, serving in that capacity for nearly 30 years at Westmoreland, Lucas and then Broady, before rejoining the BBMF in 1987, after being modified to take an ex-Shackleton Griffon 58 engine and being refurbished to flying condition by British Aerospace and Water. She currently wears the colour scheme and markings of PS888, a PR19 of number 81 Squadron based at Seletar in Singapore during the Malaya campaign, and this aircraft conducted the last ever operational sortie by an RAF Spitfire when on the 1st of April 1954 it flew a photographic mission over an area of jungle in Johor thought to contain hideouts for communist guerrillas. For the occasion, the aircraft ground crew painted the inscription, "The Last," on the left engine cowling. PR19 Spitfires were unarmed to help give them fast speed and allow them to fly at great height. So they could fly at 370 miles an hour at 40,000 feet with pressurized cockpits and at a range of 1,500 miles. Being the fighter leader responsible for training the BBMF fighter pilots each year, Smithy is also the officer commanding the Battle of Britain Memorial Flight, so oversees all the operations, admin and engineering functions of the flight, as well as planning the flight's extensive display program each year.